Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up the Ghost conversion script on your Shopify site. To begin, you'll want to navigate to admin.ghostretail.com before signing in with your account credentials. Once you've signed in, you'll be met with the Ghost homepage, at which point we can navigate to the left-hand side and select Settings from the navigation menu. Once we're on the settings page, we can navigate to the installation tab before copying the conversion script under Shopify conversion settings using the icon provided on the right-hand side. Once we've copied this script, we can flip into our Shopify backend, at which point we'll once again navigate down to settings in the bottom left-hand corner, checkout, and we'll scroll to the bottom of this page to view our order status page settings. Once we've found our order status page settings, we'll include the conversion tracking script in the additional scripts box provided. We'll save our changes. And congratulations, conversion tracking is now enabled on your Shopify site. If you find yourself in need of any additional assistance or have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Ghost support team. Happy selling.